How your mama, how your brothers, how your sisters, how your parents, how your friends, how your family, how your friends, how your cousins, how everybody doing? I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's living lovely, feeling good in this. In well, it ain't the new year yet. I was about to say in this new year, but ain't the new year yet. I know y'all wondering where the fuck you been. I'm sorry for all the Christian people that feel like I shouldn't cuss, but I cuss a lot. Trying to change it, but hey, what do I know? I went to Outback. Let me show y'all what I got. I got steak, broccoli. I'm trying to show y'all really nicely. Ain't got no good light in here. The potato was supposed to be fully loaded, but somebody fucked up. Somebody messed up, okay? So, it is what it is. So, I took my broccoli and my shrimp, and I ordered extra, threw it on the potato, with some sausage in it. But it's supposed to be a loaded potato. So, I bet, you did good. It's just that my potato was supposed to be loaded. And you didn't load it, so I had to load it myself. So, but it's alright. I love it. Anyway, I got bread. I got a strawberry tea lemonade. Anybody who knows me knows I love lemonade. The broccoli is so, like, y'all had no salt and pepper on it? Y'all tell you. It's like eating little trees. This sauce, I don't know what it is, but it's good. It's from a Room sauce. If I'm saying it wrong, let me know. I ordered it through, pick up. I ordered it online and went to go pick it up. Look at my steak. My steak medium well. So it's done. Pink center. It's got this big onion on top. See that? I'm gonna cut that up in my next bite. It won't cut though. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna take some of this onion. I haven't eaten all day hardly. I ate way earlier this morning. Ate a chicken biscuit. And I really just ate the patty. I didn't eat the biscuit. Any Southerners who don't really like biscuits for real? I'm not big on biscuits. And I'm a Southerner. I'm not big on them. A biscuit gotta be just right for me to eat it. Somebody's grandma with the fat under her arm had to make my biscuit for me to eat. Anybody else like steak? So in this new year, I'm going on a healthy journey. So I'm gonna enjoy this red meat. While I can. Anybody who knows I have a dog who is literally sitting right behind me. He follows me foot to foot. I love him though. Wouldn't trade him for the world. If you don't know his name is Eeyore. I've been really busy though, you know. First time dog owner. Well, not first time, but you know. He's my actual first dog that I actually went and got. Like, I picked him up, I chose him. He's my dog. I've had dogs before that I kind of fostered from other people. But Eeyore is my dog. I did have one other dog before. His name was Scooby. Miss him to this day. Best dog ever. But I hope he's happy and thriving. I really do. He's a good dog. But you are as my baby. That's my baby boy. You know he's my baby boy. You know he's my baby boy. This steak. You know what? Outback, I like y'all. I do. If this is what stuff would taste like in Australia, if this is an actual great representation or it's better or whatever, you know how some people say stuff be better in the countries it come from, which I could believe that. I'll go over there. The onion is good. The onions on top. I finally ate it with some steak. Oh my god. That's good. I'm gonna take some more of this onion. The lighting is not the best. Y'all, I lied. I got toppers. Alright. I bet you just went back to number one. I'm sorry for lying on y'all. And I wholeheartedly apologize, okay? But now, well, that's better. So, I'm gonna put this potato in the microwave now because so it's got shrimp on it, broccoli on it. Y'all give me a second. Give me a second. I do want to point out one thing though. I order a loaded baked potato. I want it loaded. I don't want to have to do the loading myself. But I do understand why they put stuff on the side. I cannot believe. So I made a mistake. So originally I said that they forgot my toppings. I can go back now and say, thank you, Outback. You did not forget my toppings. I just didn't open the bag. I need to look. Sorry for discrediting y'all. Like y'all ain't have y'all shit together when I didn't have mine together. I got this chopped blue cheese salad that I'm not gonna eat today. That's probably gonna be for lunch tomorrow. But down here in the microwave. So here's my new potato with the toppings on there. So I put the shrimp and stuff in there, y'all remember, because I didn't think I had my toppings, but couldn't find out I did. I thought the only thing that was in that bag was this bread. So I didn't look in the other bag. So, I'm sorry, I'm gonna fuck up. But shit happens, right? I might be full. Y'all wanna watch me eat dessert? Yes, I got dessert. A warm caramel cookie. One more bite of the steak. I'm done with this. Oh my god. Well, I ain't gonna lie, all my food is good. All of it is good. It's not over seasoned, not too salty. I don't know. It's good. And my steak is, I say medium well. And it's cooked. Like, it's not pink, it's not red, it's pink in the very center. It's good. The onions is good. Y'all gave me all my toppings. I'm gonna have to give y'all a 10 out of 10 today. Now, the only complaint I have for real, y'all prices are a little steep, but I did get a big ass piece of steak. I think I spent $40-something for the first part of my order. I ordered some more stuff for $35. So it was kind of expensive, but it's good. Yeah. Once again, Outback. You outdid yourself. We're closing this up. Okay, one more bite of this potato with all the stuff in it. If you're in Georgia, my cousin makes loaded potato bowls. McDonald, Georgia. Company's called Loaded Potato Bowl. Really good potatoes. And I'm not just saying that because she's my cousin. I'm saying that because it's good. I promise you. If it wasn't good, I would tell you and my cousin. I promise you. Believe me. You already know how I am. Her food is good. Potatoes are good. She has different kinds of potatoes. So y'all go check it out. What made me think about it is this potato that I'm eating. So I put shrimp and broccoli in it. It made me remind me of my cousin's potatoes. Alright. What is an Aussie Palmer? I ordered it. I'm thinking it's supposed to be lemonade and tea. Also, I got a strawberry kiwi lemonade as well. It's good. What is an Aussie Palmer? Because they don't taste like lemonade and tea. I don't know. So, the salad I'm going to put in the refrigerator. The rest of this food I'm going to put in the refrigerator. The skillet cookie came with ice cream. Should I put the ice cream on top? I'm going to warm up the cookie. Yeah, I'm going to warm up the cookie. Sorry, y'all. I keep having to leave. I think it's true. Can I live without you? Don't ever go away. And I never want to cause you no pain. Baby, believe me, I just want to go back to feeling the same. I wanna make things right before you walk out of my entire life, baby. Okay. Hey y'all. So I warmed it up. I got the ice cream. So anybody else not big on ice cream with your desserts? I like ice cream separately. See, y'all gonna judge me. What I'm about to say. So I like ice cream separately. They gave me a bunch of forks and no spoons for this ice cream. Okay. Alright, outback. You're messing up your perfect score. I like ice cream separately. I typically don't like it with my desserts. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a little piece of this. Chocolate caramel cookie. I gave me some caramel that don't want to come out for real. I have to say, I drew the fuck out of this cookie. Look at that. I'm excited, Mom. Lighting is so bad. Apparently I need to buy a light. Everybody who knows me knows I love a sweet. I got a sweet too. This is good. Outback, why don't you silverware come with a spoon? What if I would have had chili? I mean, they gave me ice cream. Don't give me a spoon though. I mean, the fork is working just fine. I'm not bitching at all, but just something to think about, baby. Cause that's on me, baby. Ice cream don't taste like cheap ice cream either. Cookie don't taste like a cheap cookie. Don't taste the butter and the love that was put into there. Well, I'm about to enjoy the rest of this off camera. But y'all got the concept. Thank you, Outback. Thank y'all. Except I don't understand why no spoon. Outback in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. Y'all are great. Y'all are awesome. Be light. Be love. Be you.